This video will show the basics of how to use PipeDraw. This software will help you to design your Aspect project on an imported drawing. Aspect is an integrated product in Panasonic fire alarm system. PipeDraw will give you information about hole positions, hole sizes and response time. It will also generate an order list. Note that you can import DWG and DXF CAD files or PDF files. You can set the scale in PipeDraw for all types of files. A license is required to run PipeDraw. This is purchased from your local partner found at PanasonicFireSecurity.com. For more information about Aspect, please read the technical description. Start the PipeDraw application. In the Start view you can open and view a file. Open and edit. Or start a new project. The first time you start a project, PipeDraw will ask you to browse for your license. Now, the drawing file is opened. PDF files are recommended because CAD files are often very heavy to work with. First, scale your PDF drawing in PipeDraw. If you know the ratio of the drawing, enter it here. If not, use the ruler to set the length on any known element in the drawing. In this case we can use this scale on the drawing. This distance is 5 meters. Press the tool symbol and import the drawing into PipeDraw to continue. In this view, start with adding an aspect into the drawing. You can select laser or Grizzle. There is also an X branch if branching is required. Let's drag and drop a Grizzle into this area. Once you place an aspect into a drawing, you must enter information about the installation on this site. You can edit name and the detector's position on the wall. Enter the ceiling height. If there are big variations in ceiling height, uncheck this box. Is the building type commercial type or agriculture? In this example we will make a design with Grizzle and 4 pipes. Then we know that this installation will be a Class C. We will use a T-hub to connect the 4 pipes directly to the Grizzle. Press OK. This is the aspect position. It is possible to rotate it by dragging the handles. It snaps to 45 or 90 degrees. Switch to freeform by holding Shift. Start drawing the pipes by clicking the large blue circle. Choose if you want to attach the pipe to area 1 or 2. The pipe snaps to 45 or 90 degrees. You can switch to freeform for the first segment by holding Shift. Click to add corner points to the pipe. When you want the pipe to end, double-click where you want the pipe to end, or press Escape to end after the last placed point. Let's repeat to add 3 more pipes. The colored circles are representing the coverage of each hole drilled on the pipe. The area is almost perfectly covered, but we can make adjustments. Hide the coverage areas to see the pipes more clear. Double-click the pipe and drag the blue circle to move the pipe position. There are unnecessary sampling holes in this area. Let's delete them. Zoom in. Click the sampling hole and right-click. Select Delete. If it is difficult to see, hide the coverage areas. To add a hole, just click anywhere on a highlighted pipe segment. And remove it like this. We have an identical area in the same building, and we want to add a grizzle here as well. You can easily duplicate the aspect system for additional areas. Place the cursor at the desired location. Right-click and select Paste. You can move and rotate the system as needed. Save your project. Now let's look at the menus. From left to right. Step backwards. Home is the start page. Click the link to go back to the drawing. Save. Save as. Undo. Redo. Zoom in. Zoom out. Fit the drawing to the screen. Full screen. Move screen if the window is zoomed in. Click on the symbol again to deactivate. Hide or show the coverage areas. Hole details cannot be activated now. A calculation must be done first. Show or hide distances between holes. Make calculations for an aspect. We will select aspect number 1. We want to see a report automatically when the calculation is finished. The report will show the calculated properties for the 4 pipes on aspect number 1. We get hole position. The measurements are calculated from the aspect's position on the wall. Hole sizes. Response time in seconds from each hole. Vacuum in each hole. Sensitivity calculated for each hole. It's possible to hide certain information. The report can be exported and saved as a PDF file. A report like this can be suitable for the installer. Go back to the drawing. Now it is possible to activate hole detail information. You will be able to see hole position, circular coverage area, square-shaped coverage area, class, hole diameter, vacuum and response time. If you generate an order list, you will get a report with all the parts included for the design on this drawing. For each aspect system respectively, and also a summary. Export will generate a list in an Excel file. Go back to the drawing. All different drawing views can be exported to PDF format. All different drawing views can be printed. In settings, it's possible to change the saving location for files and change language. The square-shaped coverage area can be shown or hidden. The coverage area can be set according to national regulations. It's possible to change colors and font sizes in the drawing. It's possible to change font size, color and visible information for the hole details. This is a hole detail view with less information. In Replace, you will keep the current aspect design, but change to another drawing. Under the menu Help, you will find information about the latest improvements in your PipeDraw version. Activate or return your PipeDraw license. Tips to get you started with PipeDraw. Check for upgrade or downgrade of the software. And license agreement. Thank you for watching.